going to read a poem from a collection called Enderby's Book of Fugitive Birds, called Flamingoes. Under a dark, sarcastic sky with never a hint of moon, the hooligan flamingos fly down to a pink lagoon. And there they shake their prating bills in Parliament about the ills flamingos must endure. For life isn't always pink and white, and life isn't always watertight, and life isn't always sure. Under a satin, matin sky suffused with saffron sun, the hooligan flamingos fly back where they flew in from. Their bills have set the world to rights, told of 1,001 nights of laughter and of care, and now they fly to pastures new, and speculations false and true to tell again elsewhere. Under a doomsday noonday sky, the Sunday sun unspent burns nothing with his fiery eye since the flamingos went. The pink lagoon that served their mel is silent as an empty hell, a burning lake of peace. The sky is like a year-long yawn now that the tourists have all gone. Even the seasons cease.